In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed a second copy of a page so you can reuse a layout, make alternate versions, or keep a backup of your edits, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and reliably. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This process works in the full version of Acrobat that includes the Organize Pages tool. If you're using a more limited viewer and don't see that tool, you may need to switch to a version that supports page management. Once Acrobat is open, go ahead and open the PDF you want to work with. If the document is important or finalized, it's a good idea to work on a copy just so you can experiment without worry. With your PDF open, look to the left side of the window for the menu that shows page-related options. Click on Organize Pages. This opens a view that displays your document as a grid of page thumbnails. It's a handy workspace where you can quickly rearrange, insert, and, of course, duplicate pages. Take a moment to scroll and locate the page you want to copy, and make sure it's clearly visible in the grid. Now select the page thumbnail you want to duplicate. With it selected, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're on Windows. While holding Ctrl, click and drag that page thumbnail to an empty area in the grid where you want the duplicate to appear, then release the mouse. Acrobat creates a copy of the page right where you drop it. If you're on a Mac, use the Option key while dragging to achieve the same result. You'll typically notice a small visual cue, like a plus sign, indicating that you're duplicating rather than just moving. If you want the duplicate to sit right next to the original, drop it immediately after that page. If you change your mind about where the copy landed, simply drag the new thumbnail to a different position. Made a mistake? Use Undo to reverse the last action and try again. You can also select multiple pages first if you need to duplicate a group, and then Ctrl drag them together. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, open your PDF, go to Organize Pages, then hold Ctrl and drag the page thumbnail to duplicate it. When you're finished, remember to save your document so the duplicate page is preserved for next time.